Welcome to Quick Reviews channel, and today we are going to review a news app which is one of the best news apps that I've come across in India. Without further ado, I'll delve straight into the app. The app name is Inshorts. Okay, once you open the app, you will basically start seeing news in a one at a time. So on the first page, like I'm seeing a news about Renault quit, that we basically have more and more news, and you can scroll them from bottom. Introduced now a new feature in which you can play some video snippets. You also have an option, it's a link, like it says video at YouTube, so you can view this news on YouTube as well. So they have this option. They have a beautiful option to share. So if I press share, I can share this news across all the sites that I want: Facebook, WhatsApp, and other sites. Toss is an option which you sync your contacts with the app, then you can toss this news to all your contacts. So that is one option you have. If I look at my feed, I would like, if I want to see news, say top stories or what is trending, then I can look at my likes, or if I press more, I can look at India news, business, politics, sports, technology. So I press technology, I'll start seeing all technology related news. Now, one more thing you can do is you can also click the title and then it will get bookmarked in your app. So you can anytime go and see which news you have bookmarked, and you can go to the bookmarks option here. Now you'll get all the bookmarks that you have previously bookmarked. So all those options are showing here. So you can also uncheck the bookmark if you want by just removing or clicking once the title. Very good. You can also connect your Facebook account, and you can also click on like if you like some particular news, and I just like this one. So that's it. One grind I have with this app is which I would like the app developers to do is if they can introduce swipe options from left to right or other swipe options as well, because I have, as an Android user, I have more of a habit of swiping from left to right. So guys, we hope you enjoyed this review, and please do subscribe to our channel.